Okay, on this problem, you're asked to find the composition of the functions f and g. Remember, and it even tells you on the sheet, that this is the same as f of g of x. Okay, those are the same. So we're going to place g of x into the f function. So we could write it as f of, and instead of g of x, I write negative 5x plus 8. Now, what this tells me is I use this function, that's what the f tells me, and then instead of writing x, I write negative 5x plus 8. So everywhere I see x, I'm going to write negative 5x plus 8. And then it just becomes a matter of simplifying what we have here. So I need to do negative 5x plus 8 squared. Remember that that's actually a negative 5x plus 8 times a negative 5x plus 8, which would give me 25x squared, and then negative 5x times 8 is a negative 40x, another negative 40x, and then plus 64 for 8 times 8. And so that means we're going to have 3 times, and I'll just do my simplification, 25x squared minus 80x plus 64. So I just added these two together to get the minus 80x. And then I'll do my distributive property here. Recognize that you've got a negative 2 times a negative 5, so it's a positive 10x. And then a negative 2 times 8, so it's a negative 16, and then minus 10. I'll do distributive property through. You get 75x squared minus 240x plus, and then you got to do 64 times 3, which would be 192, plus 10x, and then I can add these together, so that's negative 26. And so then your final answer is 75x squared. Negative 24x plus 10x is a negative 230x. And 192 minus 26 is a positive 166. And so that's your answer for number 18. 75x squared minus 20x plus 166. That is f of g of x. What that equals.